Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide WhatsApp chats on your phone. Let's get started. If you are using an iPhone, swipe the chat from right to left and tap on More. Then tap the option with the lock icon. Press Continue, and you will be asked to confirm with your Face ID or passcode. Once you do that, your chat will be locked. To view or unlock hidden chats, tap on the Lock Chat section. If you don't see it, just swipe down on your chat list, and it will appear. Confirm with your Face ID or passcode, and your hidden chats will show up. If you want to remove a chat from the locked section, swipe it again from right to left on iPhone, tap More, and then tap the Open Lock icon. And that's it. Now you know how to hide and unhide WhatsApp chats easily.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.